Hey friends, if you wish to install and use a YouTube app on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now if you check the Microsoft Store, there is no YouTube app here. Search for it. And if there's none here, then you may not even be able to download it online. But let me show you. YouTube app download for PC. Go to this and it will redirect you to the Microsoft Store page. That's what it is. And there is no option on YouTube to download this app. So here's what you can do. See, it says you own the app, but there's no download button. Search for YouTube in the Windows search bar. Click on YouTube. And then you'll find an option here to install YouTube app. Click on this and select install YouTube app. And see, it opens like an app. Isn't this interesting? Let me show you. Now it's an app. I am opening YouTube as an app here. Okay, and I can search for it in the Windows search bar and I can access the YouTube app anytime I want to. So what is this app if there's no app on the Microsoft Store? It's called Progressive Web App. We made an app out of a website, so it has the same properties as the website. The only difference is that I can access it as an application and I do not need to open the browser each and every time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.